Hello, Year 3. I hope you're all well. Today we are going to be applying the features of poetry to write our own. So hopefully in today's folder you will have found everything that you need to help you today. We have a checklist that you can use. There are some word banks as well in today's folder. You have your text map from yesterday, and of course all the other learning that you have done this week for you to refer back to. And you can also think back to the start of the year when we did poetry and think about that learning as well. So I have attempted to write my own version of the sound collector, and I'm going to go through it with you now and show you what I did, how I made it my own, because that is what we would like to see you do today, your teachers and myself. Yes, we are imitating, but we want you to try and make it your own as well. So let's have a look at my poem. I haven't edited and improved yet, so if there are any mistakes, don't worry, we'll find them and we will edit them. So, I looked at my text map as I was going through, and I also referred to the checklist as I was writing. So let's have a look. The noise collector. Do you see what I did there? A stranger called this morning, dressed all in deep dark grey, but every nose, okay, I think we need to change that, put every noise into a bag and carried them away. The sizzling of the frying pan, the whirring of the lock, the meowing of the kitten, the ticking of the clock, the popping of the toaster, the munching of the flakes. When you spread the strawberry jam, the scraping noise it makes. A stranger called this morning. She didn't leave her name. She left us only silence. Life will never be the same. So you can see that I have followed the style of the poem, but I have changed some things just to make it a little bit different and to make it more of my own. So I'm going to go back to the checklist and let's have a little look at how I have done. So have I used a title for my poem? I have, and I've changed it slightly to the noise collector. So I think I can tick that. Well, I can't tick it, but I'll put a Y for yes. I used line breaks and stanzas to structure my work. So this is very important. You can see that I have used line breaks and I have made sure I've left a space in between the stanzas so it's really clear where a new one begins and where it ends. So I think I can say Y for yes for that too. Have I used exciting vocabulary? So let's go back to my poem and have a look at the vocabulary. I did try to either change some of the vocabulary I didn't like so much, or to add in some more descriptive devices. I wonder if you can spot them. So the first stanza, a stranger called this morning, dressed all in deep, dark grey. So here, that was black and grey, but I thought that was a bit boring, so I've added in some alliteration here, deep, dark grey. Put every noise into a bag and carried them away. The second stanza, the whistling of the kettle. I tried to think what else I might have in my kitchen, making breakfast that might make some noise, and I thought the sizzling of the frying pan and turning of the lock. I thought that was a bit boring. So what I did was I went on to Google thesaurus.com, typed in turning, and it gave me loads of synonyms. So that's another good trick too that you can use to help you. So the whirring of the lock, the meowing of the kitten, the ticking of the clock. Then, when you spread the strawberry jam. I thought that sounded a bit better than marmalade, because I don't really like marmalade. So yeah, I think I have done quite well with my vocabulary. I'm going to say yes. Have I written in the style of the poet? So have I still used rhyme? I think that's quite well. And finally, have I checked my spellings? Well, we already seen that I wrote nose instead of noise. So let's see what else I need to correct. Lots of spelling rules in this poem that we have covered in year 3. So do think back to your spelling lessons this year. Ticking. I need CK. The ticking of the clock. Spread. And here, didn't. I need an apostrophe for that contraction. And I think that is all my spellings. I'm quite happy with that. So have I done that? Yes, I have. Woohoo! I'm done. So what do you think? I hope you like it. I hope you also liked the changes I've made. You can see here I've added in some punctuation that I thought might improve it a little bit. So yes, it still follows the structure of the original poem, and it does contain some of the features of poetry that we've looked at this week. So now it's your turn. I wonder what you're going to come up with. Do please share your finished pieces with your class teachers on Dojo. We really, really would love to see them. Have a great day.